Welcome to Baluchi Zone. Today's lesson is all about swear words in Baluchi language. If you don't like swear words and you get easily offended, then please stop watching this video because there's going to be a lot of swear words coming our way today. Swear words or slangs are part of any language, and Baluchi language can be very brutal when it comes to swear words. Just to warn you one final time, this video will contain some strong language. With that out of the way, let's start with the most common swear word in English language, and that is the word fuck. To say fuck in Baluchi, we say go, or you can say got. In English grammar, you can use the word fuck in a very flexible way. Well, that is also the case in Baluchi language. For example, if I wanted to say fuck you, we would say gatum taro. You might be wondering why I changed got to gatum. Well, that's because the on represents the first person, as in I fuck you, gatum taro. Let's do some examples. Fuck your name. Gatum tei nom. Fuck your religion. Gatum tei mazhab. Fuck Canada. Gatum Canada. I hope you get the gist of it. How about the adjective or adverb of fucking, I hear you ask? Well, let's see. George is my fucking name. George is my fucking name. George meni gotagin nomint. Or you can say Georgent meni gotagin nom. This fucking food is delicious. Ye gotagin warok washint. Even though it is rare in Baluchi, gotagin is used for expression or as an intensifier. However, for the act of fucking, as in having intercourse, we use goyag, as in George is fucking Mary. George is fucking Mary. George Maria goyag int. George Maria goyagint. So make sure you separate the expressive fucking from the act of fucking. How about the past tense, I hear you ask? Well, he got fucked. He got fucked. A goyag boot. A goyag boot. Or you can say Canada got fucked. Canada got fucked. Canada goyag boot. Canada goyag boot. Now, you might be wondering, how do I say fucker? Well, my friend, you just say go. And you use it as a Tagalong word. We have so many words with this one. For example, if you are Welsh, we would call you Miesh ga, which means sheep fucker or sheep shagger. If you are an Arab, we would say hoshter ga, which means camel fucker. And then lastly, if you are Colombian or if you are Baluch, well, this is the stereotype for us. We would say dielga, which means ass fucker. And by ass I mean the female donkey. While we are on the subject of ga, to say gay in Baluchi we say Bago. It's also worth adding that Bago also means weak or defeated in Baluchi. Now let's move on from the fuck words. To say wanker, we say muti, or you can say mutjan. And if you are from Western Balochistan, they also use choluki. To say dickhead, we say kirsar. It's used for someone who thinks more with his dick than his head. So kirsar, dickhead. To say arslika, we say kunchat, kunchat. To say bastard, we say biepet, biepet, biepet. This is used for insulting someone who's behaving badly. But for the other bastard, as in someone who's been born outside of marriage, then we use kior, kior. Now, in this picture, you see the beautiful Greek island of Kos. Well, Kos in Baluchi, or even in Persian, means pussy. The worst insult in Baluchi comes with Kos, especially when you place sister or mother before the word. So Gohar Kos means sister pussy, Mat Kos means mother pussy. These both swear words can get you in a big fight, so try and avoid using them at all cost. But I've heard in some regions they're becoming more acceptable because the argument is, you know, these are female anatomy, so everyone's mom or sisters, they got one, so it shouldn't be even considered as an insult. But I guess it's mostly to do with the combination of two words next to each other. Anyway, let's move on. Next we have Kahabag, which means whore, whore. Some also use jinda. To say bitch, we say hind, hind, which is also the same word for the female dog. Now let's move on to more lighter swear words, I guess. To say retard, we say luesht, luesht, retard. Idiot, rosois, or you can say biesod, biesod, idiot. If someone's on discipline or someone who's got really bad manners, we just use lapanga. That's another one, lapanga. If someone's really smelly or unwashed, we just call them juembue or buesahar. And then if something's really shitty or really bad, we just, you know, like stink, or like a shitty, if you have a shitty job or shitty like a smell, we just say guti. So Guti or Giti, so whatever, depending on your accent. Some people say Giti, some people say Guti. It's it can be used if you have a shitty job, or if you can smell something really bad and you say, oh, it smells really shitty. Or you can even describe someone's attitude, to be honest. I think this video is getting a bit too long. Let me just conclude with my personal favorite, which is buert rish. Buert rish, buert rish, which means beard lice, beard lice. This one's not so common, but I've heard it being used to describe someone who's very corrupt or someone who's fake, especially from the clergy class, like mullahs or clerics. You can use this to describe them, like a buatrish. So like, he is so fake or corrupt that even his beard is infested in head lice. This is just a small list. If I missed any big swear words, then please write down your favorite swear words in the comment section below.